Hi, welcome to CJ Wild Money Entertainment. If you've never been to my channel before, on Fridays we keep it real with topics that's trending on social media. Today's topic is remembering, never forget the bravery, and remembering 9/11. Together we have united to overcome the trials and tribulations 19 years ago. And now we need to remember that so we can stay safe, protect each other, and work as one in our community against the fires of flame in California. Keeping it real against children being confused whether they could go back to school because of the pandemic and safety precautions that needs to be used like masks, wear, and hand sanitizer. Systemic racism. As Americans, we must unite together for anything to succeed and change in our world. Peace.